Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. As many of you know, Google Chrome comes with its own default search engines in the browser, and to get to those search engines, we just head up to our menu in the top right. We go to Settings, and on the left, click on Search Engine, and here is the search engine menu. I've set Google as my default search engine, and we have Manage Search Engines, which we can go to. Now, in Manage Search Engines, we have our default search engines, which are namely Google, Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, and Ecosia. And you will see another header here called Other Search Engines. Now, what this is all about is that basically Chrome will automatically add some search engines when you perform searches on websites frequently. The only problem with this, though, is because it's an automatic process, this can become quite overwhelming and cluttered over time. And you also have an option here under Other Search Engines to add your own custom search engine to other search engines. And I have posted a video on this previously, which is actually a very useful feature in the Chrome web browser, which I use myself. Now, my custom search engine, which I have added, which also appears under Other Search Engines, is to get to my Chrome flags menu in the Chrome browser by using a keyword that I just enter into the address bar, which takes me straight there without having to type anything in, which I find is quite handy, and I get there a lot quicker. Now, as I say, the only problem with this, though, is that things can get cluttered over time quite quickly. And in the Google Chrome Canary version of the web browser now, which I'm using, and as always is that pre-release version used for testing and experimenting, Google is now doing some housekeeping where it's just giving you a few other options just to tidy up the other search engines, and just to give you a few other settings and options to do some housekeeping in the search engines menu in the Chrome web browser. So in Google Chrome Canary, what we do is we can activate this by using a flag. It's not a default setting. So to do this, as always, we just head up to our address bar, and here is my custom search engine, which I just mentioned, CF. And what you do is you enter Chrome : / flags into your address bar. That takes us to Chrome flags. And in the search, we enter that flag called Active Search Engines. And I've already copied and pasted it. And the flag says enables a Your Search Engines section on Chrome. And that's currently available for Mac, Windows, Linux, and Chrome OS. And then, as always, we change the default setting to enabled, and we relaunch Chrome Canary to apply that flag. And now if I go back to my search engines menu, you will see that I have now the default search engines, which was there previously, but now I also have a new entry called Your Search Engines, which places my custom search engines, which I've created and made, added myself, to its own menu now, and takes it out of other search engines, thereby, just decluttering things a little bit and making things a lot more visible, where you can just distinguish quickly between your default search engines, your custom search engines, and your other search engines. And then also, if we go to the dotted menu on each search engine, activate and deactivate now have been added to the menu, where previously you only had make default, edit, and remove from list. So you can now activate and deactivate each search engine as well. So Google just doing a bit of housekeeping. And as always, this is not available currently in the stable version of Google Chrome, and it should possibly, if the testing goes through, make its way down to a stable version in the not too distant future of the Google Chrome web browser. And I think this is actually quite neat and tidy. As I say, it just separates things and cleans things up a little bit in your search engines. So I hope you found this video useful. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.